Where's Barry? 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 Barry,
What?
wake up, mate.
What?
Your fans have booked you a tour to the zoo, mate.
The zoo?
Yeah.
Oh, I've always wanted to go to the zoo.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, today's your lucky day, mate.
My favourite animal is the hyena. Did you know it's mixed between a cat and a dog?
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, why are you in the closet, Barry?
Mate, don't fucking ask me why I'm in the closet, alright? It's definitely not my home or anything, alright? Right, anyway.
Well, I'm your tour guide, mate.
Yeah. Lead the way.
It's actually the other way.
Righto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you come over here, you said your favourite animal was hyenas,
Yeah,
right?
my favourite animal is the hyena.
Well, come this way. We'll have a little tour.
Yeah.
So this is the hyena exhibit right here.
What the fuck is that? What kind of fucking animal is that?
I think that's just some disabled kid.
Did you say? Disabled?
Yeah.
Bye!